By the end of Taiwan's central mountain range, named Guan Mountain, we see full of layers of mountains surrounded by the vast expanse of the green slope. This is where Dongjia Farm located, more than 50 chicken coops set up in this quiet mountain forest. The chickens were fed with the most environmentally friendly natural way, so that the chicken are all freely raised with tree-lined grass environment and consumption of natural corn, grass and insects only, much more healthier than those imprisoned in a narrow chicken coop. The risks of illness and death are also drastically reduced. Water used by Dongjia was even better. It's different from the general chicken farm to groundwater breeding. Dongjia range water is from Taiwan's central mountain, which is clear and transparent, precious natural water resources, and away from pollution. This is why尚品chicken essence produced by Dongjia chickens assure no gaming. Taiwan's central mountain spring water is one of the secrets.